Alright, well, this is the beginning of season number 2. There's so much that happened in season 1. From sailing from Vancouver to Mexico after working on the boat for almost a year and a half, getting it ready for the big trip, and barely knowing anything about sailing, to be honest, and discovering what swells is. So you can follow us through that adventure in season 1, but we're super excited about season 2.
We're reunited with the boat. Before that, we make a stop in Arizona where we're received by piles of boxes full of boat parts. It was like Christmas opening all those, and we also take advantage of being there. We do some hiking, we explore Sedona, and we spend my birthday there. Thank you so much for being with us through season 1, and we're stoked to have you for season 2.
In preparation to the next refit, I spent weeks researching and ordering gear. Since we were planning to drive to Mexico, we ordered most of it to a friend in Phoenix, Arizona. Hey Bobby, you want to tell us about all the boxes you received over the last few weeks?
Yeah, just loads and loads and loads of boxes. I couldn't believe it showing up at the front door. Now, I think my doorbell has buzzed more times just in the last month than it has in the last 10 years.
We'll have a whole episode on Eric opening $20,000 worth of boat parts coming soon. If you're into boat gadgets, you'll want to give that a watch. Meanwhile, in Vancouver, I prepare for the big move to Mexico, which includes selling what was my home for the last year. These are my last minutes with Judy the van. It's a little bittersweet. We had good times, really good times. We had some struggles, there were a lot of challenges, but every relationship is like that, you know? We made it through over a year, longer than most marriages in Hollywood. So I think we did pretty good. And I'm excited for the next adventure, which is sailing life. And I'm really stoked to not ever have to worry about trying to fix a 1978 vehicle, because I have no fucking clue how to do it.
And then Natalie flew from Vancouver to Phoenix to come join me there.
Whee! Driving down Arizona. Palm trees.
America!
And beautiful faces. His, not mine. Although I'm beautiful too. And it's my birthday. I'm 30 and I feel good.
What's ladies doing?
Just hanging out. Looking at the mountains. We hiked up through the giant cacti and kept looking back as the view got better and better. Say hi!
Hello!
At the top was a little tiny waterfall and lots of spots to take in the landscape. It was exactly how I wanted to spend my birthday.
So you guys see some Indian and cowboy riding horses around?
I think I see one already.
Yeah, which one of the two am I?
You're the horse?
I'm the horse.
And that's the cowboy.
Come here. Come here, baby girl. Come on.
Fucking submerged in the camera.
Layers of sandstone and limestone create these towering red rocks. As we were walking through, we could just imagine dinosaurs roaming the land 100 million years ago. We admire the sunset from a lookout near Airport Mesa. The sky was on fire. En route to Mexico!
We have another about 6 hours to get to Mexico. And Yukimura was still working.
She's still working.
Yeah, she did over 12,000 kilometers, I think, so far. Almost to Mexico, so hopefully she'll keep the good work. Keep up the good work. Losing my English.
Kona's not the most comfortable there, but she'll survive. Right, baby girl? You got any words for the camera? No, leave me alone. And I think that's Red Rock. Still in Arizona. Seen a lot of rocks. Drinking some smoothies with our new mugs. Woo! Show yours, Capitan.
Soy el capitán de piña colada.
How are you feeling, baby? How are those butterflies?
Fantastic, I gotta pee too. Damn.
We are 8 minutes away from the boat. Blackdragon's been here for 4 months.
Since June, so.
Yeah, 4 months. It's a lot of
There you go.
boats. This guy's taking us to our boat, but this is the 4th row we explore.
Yeah. You have the marina already.
I think he's just guessing. I think Kona smells it though, right, Kona? Does he actually know?
Right there. There she is.
Yeah?
Yep.
Where?
Right there. Got my fender out. Woo! After knowing that Hurricane Sergio knocked down 7 boats in the marina this season, I couldn't wait to see in which state the boat was.
How big is that smile?
This big.
Woo.
Who's there? Who's there?
We're home, Kona.
No more over the 5, please, because it's 5 o'clock, everybody go. Almost.
We don't have a ladder, so he's pulling a Mission Impossible. You got it, babe. Oh shit. Nice booty. Shake it, shake it.
Hello, my girl.
So we just got back to Blackdragon and she looks pretty clean. Gonna get inside. Oh, yeah, it's just so it doesn't get damaged.
Nice.
Cool.
Hello, new home.
Doesn't smell too funny, so that's a good sign.
Beginning of a new life.
Yeah. Oh, someone came in here. I think Carrie came and organized a little bit because it was quite a mess. Cool.
It's big. You think just the wind knocked it over?
Yeah, from the hurricane, I think.
It's not bad for
Sergio.
Mr. Sergio. Steering shit up. How are the solar panels looking?
These are starting to peel here, but I'm sure they work still. Not bad at all. Huh. Cleaning's not gonna be that bad.
Sweet.
Yeah,
good
pretty
news.
stoked. Green Sailor tips. Make sure to check your battery cells levels. It's easy to forget about this simple maintenance and ruin your lead acid batteries. Make sure to check them every month, add distilled water if needed. Since we were gone for 4 months, that's pretty much the first thing I did when I got on board. Life at the boatyard isn't too bad when you have banana pancake with pineapples and avocado chocolate.
We were planning on spending quite some time at the boatyard, so we had to teach Kona how to climb the ladder. She became an absolute pro. On the next episode, we start working hard at the boatyard, outfitting the boat before the splash date. We do tons of upgrades, including re-embedding our chain plates, switching to a compost toilet, installing a new bow roller anchors and hatch. And somehow, we managed to still have fun through it. Thank you so much to our sponsors and our patron family who make this adventure possible. To become part of it, click on this link. And if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to follow along the adventure.